Hello and welcome back to our channel. The UK Global Talent Visa continues to be one of the most sought-after immigration routes for skilled individuals looking to work and live in the United Kingdom. As of 2025, the visa remains a key pathway for highly talented professionals from across the globe, enabling them to contribute to the UK's diverse economy, cultural industries, and academic institutions. Whether you're a tech innovator, an academic researcher, an artist, or an entrepreneur, the Global Talent Visa offers a unique opportunity to access world-class career prospects while enjoying the benefits of living in one of the most dynamic countries in the world. If you're interested in securing the UK Global Talent Visa, this blog will guide you through the latest updates, the eligibility requirements, the application process, and what this visa means for professionals across various fields. If you've been considering making the leap to the UK, now is the time to act. With updated policies and streamlined processes, this visa could be your golden ticket to a thriving career in the UK. Before we delve into the details, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Now, let's get started. The UK Global Talent Visa is designed for individuals who are leaders or potential leaders in their respective fields. It is particularly attractive because it allows applicants to live and work in the UK without being tied to a specific employer. This flexibility gives professionals the freedom to explore a wide range of career opportunities, establish businesses, or collaborate on projects with organisations across the UK. Unlike traditional work visas, the Global Talent Visa does not require sponsorship from a UK employer, making it ideal for those who value independence in their professional pursuits. One of the key updates for 2025 is the UK government's increased focus on attracting talent in priority sectors such as technology, arts and culture, and academia. While the criteria remain rigorous, the application process has been streamlined for certain occupations to encourage more professionals to apply. The visa continues to operate in collaboration with endorsing bodies, which assess the applicant's qualifications, experience, and contributions to their field before granting endorsement. Without an endorsement, applicants cannot proceed with their visa application, so this step remains critical. For applicants in technology, TechNation has historically been the main endorsing body. However, as of 2025, the UK government has transitioned this responsibility to a newly established body known as Scale Up Tech UK, which specifically focuses on digital innovation and entrepreneurship. This shift aims to expand opportunities for tech professionals and simplify the endorsement process for those with exceptional skills in software development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and other growing subfields of technology. Applicants must demonstrate either a proven track record of excellence in their field or the potential to make significant contributions to the UK's tech ecosystem. In the arts and culture sector, professionals such as filmmakers, writers, performers, and visual artists can apply for endorsement through Arts Council England. The criteria for this field emphasise originality, innovation, and impact. Applicants must provide a portfolio of their work, references from recognised figures in their industry, and evidence of international recognition. The UK remains committed to fostering cultural diversity and artistic innovation, making this visa an excellent opportunity for those in creative industries. For academic researchers and scientists, the endorsing bodies include UK Research and Innovation, UKRI, the Royal Society, the British Academy, and the Royal Academy of Engineering. These organisations assess applicants based on their contributions to scientific research, publications, and leadership in their respective fields. The UK government has introduced new measures to prioritise applications from researchers in areas such as climate change, renewable energy, and public health, reflecting the country's commitment to addressing global challenges. The application process for the UK Global Talent Visa involves two stages: endorsement and visa application. To begin, applicants must apply for endorsement from the relevant endorsing body. This involves submitting a detailed application, including evidence of your skills, achievements, and contributions to your field. Each endorsing body has specific criteria, so it's crucial to tailor your application accordingly. For example, if you're applying as a tech specialist, you'll need to showcase your professional achievements, such as creating groundbreaking software, leading significant projects, or contributing to the growth of innovative startups. Once you receive an endorsement, you can proceed to the visa application stage. This involves completing an online application form, paying the visa fees, and attending a biometric appointment at a visa application center. The current visa fees for the Global Talent Visa are £623 for the main applicant, with additional fees for dependents. Applicants must also pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, which provides access to the UK's National Health Service (NHS) during their stay. The visa duration can be up to 5 years, with the option to apply for indefinite leave to remain (ILR) after 3 years, provided specific requirements are met. One of the standout benefits of the Global Talent Visa is its flexibility. Unlike other work visas, it does not tie you to a specific employer. This means you can change jobs, start your own business, or collaborate on multiple projects without needing to update your visa. This freedom is particularly appealing to entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals in dynamic industries. Additionally, the visa allows you to bring dependents, including your spouse or partner and children under 18, who can also work or study in the UK. For applicants in different occupations, the visa opens up a world of opportunities. In technology, it's a chance to join the UK's thriving tech ecosystem, home to some of the world's most innovative startups and established companies. If you're an academic researcher, the visa allows you to collaborate with world-class institutions, access research funding, and contribute to groundbreaking discoveries. For artists and creatives, it provides a platform to showcase your talents on an international stage and collaborate with some of the UK's most prestigious organisations. No matter your field, the visa is a gateway to professional growth, cultural exchange, and a better quality of life. However, it's important to note that the Global Talent Visa is not an easy route. The criteria are rigorous, and the application process requires careful preparation. It's essential to thoroughly research the requirements for your field and ensure that your application is well documented. Working with immigration experts or solicitors who specialize in global talent visa applications can significantly increase your chances of success. As of 2025, the UK government is actively encouraging applications from professionals in priority sectors, and updates to the visa scheme reflect this commitment. Whether you're in technology, academia, or the arts, this is an opportune time to consider applying. The visa not only offers professional advancement, but also provides access to the UK's rich cultural heritage, world-class healthcare, and excellent education system for your family. If you're considering making the UK your next home, the Global Talent Visa could be the perfect pathway to achieve your dreams. In conclusion, the UK Global Talent Visa is an exceptional opportunity for highly skilled individuals across various industries. With its emphasis on flexibility, independence, and professional growth, the visa continues to attract top talent from around the world. If you're a leader or potential leader in your field, now is the time to take action. The updated application process and focus on priority sectors make 2025 an ideal year to start your journey. Don't wait, research your eligibility, prepare your application, and take the next step toward building a successful career in the UK. The Global Talent Visa could be your gateway to a brighter future, so seize the opportunity today.